Hello everyone. Welcome to the second day of our TechBlick event. And the first talk, I'm delighted to introduce Pekka Iso-Ketola, who is the engineering director at Forciot. And joining him today is Dusko Petrovski, the product line director for electronics at Gentherm. And today they will tell us a little bit about their hands-on detection functionality for advanced driver assistance systems enabled by their stretchable electronics. So, Pekka, Dusko, over to you.
Yes, thank you. So I'll go to the first slide. So hello, my name is Pekka Iso-Ketola. I'm one of the co-founders of Forciot and now working as an engineering director. This is a joint presentation by Forciot and Gentherm. And Gentherm is one of our investors from the ongoing B round. Both companies will closely collaborate on automotive sensor systems that have the potential to be integrated into steering wheels for hands-on detection system functionalities for advanced driver assistance systems. For Gentherm side, Dusko, will you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Thank you very much, Pekka, and glad to be here with everybody today. My name is Dusko Petrovski, product line director over at Gentherm, global automotive supplier, as well as some medical activities as well with our company. And we're happy to partner up with Forciot today and give everybody online here a little bit of background on what we're working on to help provide this feature and enhance it really for the future markets.
Yes, thank you, Dusko. And for the context here, first we'll look into Forciot stretchable electronics technology, revolutionizing the automotive interior business. Our sensor samples can be seen on the images on this picture, so foils and structural element for the sensing. Then Dusko will introduce Gentherm's future visions of automotive industry and how Forciot stretchable electronics advantages when introduced into hands-on detection concepts and solutions. After this, we'll have some time for questions. So Forciot is a Finnish technology company that designs high-quality sensor-based IoT solutions with focus on automotive and logistic industries. We utilize stretchable printed electronics and advanced force and touch sensing algorithms to make connected sensor systems with wireless and wired connectivity. Forciot technology can be seamlessly integrated into practically any surface, for example, fabrics, leather, wood, and polymers. And the sensor solution can be tailored to different form factors and sizes. With Forciot solutions, every surface can become an intelligent living surface for measuring, example, force, weight, balance, pressure, or high-resolution touch in 3D shapes. To go into the Forciot technology, so what we produce and our unique solution. First of all, the Forciot sensor stack consists of printed stretchable sensor films laminated with structural material layers like foams to form a sensor sheet. Both the printing and lamination are done in a roll-to-roll manufacturing process, providing large area sensor sheets. One key element in stretchable electronics is the connection between stretchable and the rigid electronics. And here Forciot provides a thin and small footprint solution. To accurately measure touch and force from stretchable and 3D shaped surfaces, Forciot has its own unique software algorithms. These include application-specific material models and calibration algorithms. As supporting elements, we offer the data connectivity. So the interface can be, for example, Bluetooth wireless interface or wired buses like LIN. We also offer energy management, although our system is very low power and low voltage, so 3-volt system operating the measurement device. We also offer processing components like ECUs where needed. For the automotive